Hi children, a very good morning to one and all. This is your online English classroom. I am Vichita, your English miss. Okay children, I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. My dear children, now we are moving through lesson 3. What is the name of our lesson? Yes, the tortoise and the hare. We have already completed the textual summary, new words, fill in the blanks, question answers and listening activity also. Now it is time to discuss grammar activity. So get ready. Let us see these pictures. Yes, what is the boy doing? Yes, he is writing. What is this boy doing? Yes, he is drawing. What is that girl doing? Yes, she is reading. And what is this girl doing? Yes, she is eating. So the word draw, eat, write, read are called doing words. What do we call it? Yes, doing words. Doing words tells us what a person or an animal or a thing does. This also shows action. So we call it as action words. Do you know what is action? Performing some actions. What somebody is doing, that action, that is an action. So doing words are also called action words. Can you tell me some examples for action? Look here. What is this? It is an action. And what is that? Yes, I am crying. Cry. Cry is an action. Yes, what is this? Which action is that? Yes, jumping. So jump is an action. Then what I am doing now? Yes, I am standing. So stand. Stand is an action. Okay. Then here, look. Now I am sitting. So sit is an action. Is it clear, dear children? Yes. So since these words such as draw, read, write, singing, laughing, crying, jumping, running, sitting, standing, all these shows action, such words are also called action words. Action words are also known as doing words. Is it clear? Okay, let us find some more examples. So dear children, what are doing words or action words? Let us see. The word that tells what a person, animal or thing does are called doing words. Doing words are also called action words. The word that tells what a person, animal or thing does are called doing words. Doing words are also called action words. Let us find some examples. The boy is eating food. See the word underlined in green letters. Eating. Here, eating is the action word. The boy is performing an action. What is the action? He is eating. So, eating is an action word or doing word. The girl is sleeping. See the underlined word, green letters. Sleeping. The girl is performing an action. Then the action is sleeping. So sleeping, sleep is an action word. Action word is also known as doing word. So, the girl is sleeping, and in the sentence, sleeping is an action and it is called action word. Okay? The mother is cooking food. Here, the mother is cooking food. See the green words, underlined word, cooking. Cooking is the action performed by mother. Cooking. Cooking is an action word. Action word is also called doing word. So here the action word or doing word is cooking. The mother is cooking food. The children are playing with the ball. The children are playing with the ball. Here, playing is underlined and it is written in green. And this shows the action word, playing. What are the children doing? Yes, they are playing. So, playing is an action word or doing word. Which is the doing word here? Yes, playing. The children are playing with the ball. Let us read some action words. Cry, run, dance, read, sing, write, smile, draw, drink, fly, run, speak, jump, eat. All these are action words or doing words. So dear children, you can find out some action words from our lesson 3. So please find out some action words from the lesson. Okay? My dear children, today we discussed action words or doing words. I hope all of you understood the content clearly. Dear children, I have also attached a YouTube URL and a worksheet in our Google Classroom. Please go through it. Please watch the lecture video and do the worksheet. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.